Hi, my first graders. It is Mrs. Moran, and today we will be working with coins, with money, and seeing what coins we need to make 25 cents. So what I want you to do is to pause the video, and if you can find some coins, ask your parents, your caregiver, the adult with you, ask for some coins, and separate them into 4 groups. So here's the groups, how we're going to sort them. Our first group is going to be all of our quarters, all right? And our quarters are worth 25 cents. And sometimes we write it with the dollar sign. Sometimes we write it with the cent symbol. And sometimes we write it with the words, 25 cents. Next group, I want you to find all your dimes, the small silver coins. They are worth 10 cents. Sometimes we write it with the dollar sign, like that. Sometimes we write it with the cent symbol. Sometimes we just write the words 10 cents. So your second group is going to be that. Then I want you to make a third group, which is our nickels. All right, they are worth 5 cents. And sometimes we write it with the dollar sign. Sometimes we write it with the symbol after, and sometimes we write the words. And then your very last group are going to be those very bright pennies, right? All right, so they're worth 1 cent. 1 cent. Sometimes we write it with the dollar sign, sometimes with the symbol, sometimes the word. So you should have 4 groups, and if you want to pause the video and sort your money, you can. All right, because we're going to now try to make up 25 cents with our coins. All right, so the first question I have for you is, how many quarters do we need to make 25 cents? How many of these do we need to make 25 cents? If somebody said to you, give me 25 cents, what would you do? You would give them 1 quarter. 1 quarter, okay, will equal 25 cents. Let's go on to the next one. How many nickels will we need to make 25 cents? So let's think about that. Here's our nickels, and each one is worth 5 cents. So let's count, all right? Let's count. 1 nickel is 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents. Let's do that again, and you count how many times we do that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I need 5 nickels to make 25 cents. So let's write that here. 5 nickels. How many pennies do we need to make up 25 cents? How many pennies do we need? Each one is worth 1 cent. 1 cent. So how many do we need if we're going to give somebody 25 cents? So we could count them all out. 1, 2, 3, but that's a lot of counting, right? So let's use our number sense. How many pennies do we need? If each one is 1 cent and we need 25 cents, what do we need? We need 25 pennies. Now, how about combining coins? All right, I want to make 25 cents, and I have some dimes and I have some nickels. So let's see, how many dimes? Let's start with the number of dimes. Suppose I have 2 dimes. $10, $20, right? How many nickels would I need? That's 20 cents. I need to get to 25 cents. So that is going to be 1 nickel. So let's look at that one. 2 dimes, 10, 20, plus 1 more nickel is 25 cents. Suppose, just suppose, let's do it down here, I only have 1 dime. I have 1 dime, 10 cents. Can I still make 25 cents? Let's see, 10 cents, 15, 20, 25. It looks like I need 3 nickels. And I hope you're counting this out with me, okay, with your money. Now, how about combining some more coins to make 25 cents? Suppose I have 2 dimes again. Suppose I have 20 cents, 2 dimes. Let's say that. 2 dimes, 20 cents. So that's 20 cents. How many pennies am I going to need? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I am going to need 5 pennies. 10, 20 cents, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, suppose I have 1 dime. Let's put that down here, 1 dime. I have 10 cents, but I got a bunch of pennies. Can I give somebody 25 cents? How many pennies do you think I'm going to give them? Well, that's 10. 25 cents, 25 minus 10 is 15, or I could count up from 10 to 25, and I would know that it's 15 pennies. Okay, so what I want you to do is to take the coins you have, and I want you to find all the combinations that will give you 25 cents. And I want you to write them down on a piece of paper. If it's all pennies, dimes and pennies, dimes and nickels, nickels and pennies, nickels and quarter, okay, and have fun. Bye-bye.